In this video, I show you how to fix SmartTube Error Code 152 and 18. SmartTube, this video is unavailable. We are unable to load the video at this time problem. For fixing this problem, go to your SmartTube settings, then go to apps, application management, then go to see all apps. Now search for SmartTube, click on SmartTube, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now open SmartTube. Now I hope that this method fixes SmartTube error code 152.18 problem. If this method not working, then reinstall the app. I hope that this method fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.